Radar sensors have been used for non-contact level measurement for many years now, but now with the move to 80 GHz microwave technology, Vega's latest generation of radar level sensors provide new levels of accuracy and ease of use. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. In this series of videos, Vega engineers Jurgen and Clemens show how the 80 GHz Vegapuls 64 radar level sensor overcomes many of the process conditions that have traditionally caused problems for older 26 GHz sensors. The videos demonstrate how the Vegapuls 64 is immune to the effects of condensation and buildup, and how its smaller size makes it suitable for applications in smaller vessels. Jurgen and Clemens go on to show how well the new sensor copes with foam and how it deals with measuring through glass and through process equipment such as shut-off valves and nozzles. And you can find out more from Vega website, and that's vega.com, or call them on 02 9542 6662. Now over to you, Jurgen and Clemens.